Hello, friends of the YouTube. I have two rather uninteresting packages for you today. I've received this. I've ordered it a while back now, and I've received it, I think, 2 days ago, something like that. I'm pretty sure you know what this is. It's the Taillight seals. So basically, it prevents water from coming into my trunk because the water was coming in through the tail lights, and well, hopefully this remedies the problem. Ooh, the smell of fresh rubber. New rubber, actually. It smells super good. Let's go and install these. Okay, now that the car is out, it's a race against daylight. In Canada, it gets dark at like 6. So, my shirt is not ideal for this microphone, and I will be holding it in my hand the entire time. Here's the plan. I will switch you around. As you can see, these taillights are very disgusting. Water infiltrated, and basically, on both sides, it's a disaster. The seal is completely gone. I opened it the other day just to see how it looks, and it's completely cracked. So it makes sense that water is going through. I'm just going to show you inside what it looks like right now, and then we'll start dismantling things. Oh, this is my cover. We'll remove it. So here you have a couple of screws, as you can see. You have one, then you have another over there. I believe you have one here as well, and one all the way under. Oh, you can see it better on this side actually. You see the 4 screws? You have one there, and then here under, and here. So once we remove these screws, pop the tail lights out, sorry, and you should be able to access right here, fully cracked seal that's under. That's what we're changing today. I have found my impact driver. Now I know the name, and it's a 10mm socket that I have on it. The idea is, let's unscrew everything, pop the tail light off, and hope that everything goes well. This little I don't know if it's a bolt, if it's a nut lock. No, it's a bolt. I don't know the English terms. This, don't lose it, because mine almost just went flippity flop in there. So we continue. I honestly have no idea if you see anything, but I'm hoping you do, like that you can replicate at home. The light is coming off. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to disconnect your cables. If not, the light is gonna drag the cables with it. So you have 2 cables. No, you have 1 cable that is connected, which is this big white one that you can just clip off in theory. There you go. That's it. And then you remove your tail light, and then it just comes off. Ta-da! That's one. And then I will show you the beautiful seal that we are replacing. It's the hideous piece of rubber that we are replacing. Look at this thing. It's all cracked and disastrous. It's the original one. So now that we have a big hole, we're gonna try and see if we can open this up. I don't think we can though. I tried cleaning the light in the trunk. Didn't work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put you on the tripod with a view of the floor, and I'm going to clean the light on the floor like a good mechanic. Look at this thing. It's disgusting. Like, seriously. It's never been cleaned. So I was right. It is indeed the clips here and here. And then on the other side, there's one under here. And then there's one here. Unfortunately, I don't want to get into this now. This light is so disgusting that I need a new rag. So I'm gonna go get a new rag. I'm gonna put back the light bulbs, put the seal it back up, and we're good to go. I was at least able to clean where the seal goes, and the inside will be for another day. Put back the light bulbs. I believe it went like this. Oh, this is broken. Look at that. I found another broken thing. Ah, look at all this gunk that is going away. It's so satisfying. Does it fit? That's the question. So, looking at the shape of it, let's say it goes like this. Pretty sure we have to put it on the light first. Do you see the light? Maybe. Let's try to follow the shape. It's so cool. It fits perfectly. Now, I'll flip you back around. Do you see? Yeah, you see. Now we just plop it back in. Oof. Yeah, there is a big difference with that seal. The other one was completely done. As always, with an old car comes a bunch of different challenges. Let's put it that way. And one of the challenges I'm facing right now is that I have decided to remove this little seal that was completely cracked from the light. And it turns out that, well, let me show you. This is what it turns out. A massive gap. Right now, the problem I'm facing is that it's completely new, so even if I screw more, it's not going to do much of a difference. So what I'm thinking is I let it rest for the night and then try to tighten even more. Or maybe I just put the seal upside down. I'm going to remove the other one, see what shape it's in, like what side it's on, and then I will readjust. So this one is even worse than the other one. I was able to figure out the side of the seal. Honestly, it's fairly easy. But you see, that's the part I removed on the other one. And I have to figure out if I can get this part replaced as well, because it's fully cracked and I'm pretty sure that it's useless. So I'm going to remove it regardless. There's one part. That's a microscopic part. Another microscopic part. A less microscopic part. Okay. It's okay. At least I have a new seal that is going to prevent the water from coming in. We'll figure it out. I'm done cleaning and it's not bad. Let's just put it that way. I'm going to try and install this and then we put it back on the car. I figured it out. Basically, so your tail light, this is the top. And essentially, you're gonna have the square part that goes here, and the screw goes in the little hole. Like that, it's well maintained and it's sealed, and you have one little hole for each of the screws. Now that the seal is on, we put back the light bulbs and we plug it back onto the car, and that's it. All right, light bulbs are back on. Oh no, I need to clean this. I forgot. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna have the same gap as on the other side. At least it will be matching. Yeah, we're definitely having the same gap. We're back in the Miata. I'm gonna put it away for the night, and I believe that the seals are finally done. It was long overdue, and I really hope that there is no more puddle at the bottom of the trunk every time that it rains, because it was getting really annoying. Anywho, my name is Leo, and thank you for following the Miata Project. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!